Do you want to prioritize your health but constantly feel like something's holding you back?
I was having stomach problems.
I have been having digestive issues
from gas, bloating,
really feeling sluggish.
Then it's time to pinpoint those pesky intolerances that you may not even know you have. With UCARI, lifelong wellness and empowerment are just a few steps away. And that first step to taking control of your wellness begins with a non-invasive bioresonance test. All it takes are 10 to 15 strands of your hair taken from the comfort of your own home.
This allowed me to take this test privately without needing a doctor.
UCARI made it so simple.
We're talking no needles, no labs, no copays.
Wondering how the magic happens?
I was very skeptical about how you could find out something like this just from a hair sample.
Bioresonance is a proven, scientifically studied technique that allows us to measure the electromagnetic wavelengths of every cell and substance in our bodies.
Every cell, every organ in our body emits electromagnetic waves.
These wavelengths give us the opportunity to understand the different ailments or diseases that can manifest in your body.
I love using the UCARI test on my patient because it's so non-invasive and it is so simple.
We achieve this using a sample of your hair.
UCARI is all about hassle-free wellness with cutting-edge science that tests over 1,000 food and environmental intolerances.
Taking this test has opened my eyes, and I recommend it to anyone I encounter.
We noticed changes within the first week.
We saw the results right away.
It's incredible that something so simple and so easy to do has changed my life so drastically.
It's time to discover the food, skin, and environmental intolerances that might be affecting your day-to-day wellness by taking the UCARI Intolerance Test. Order your at-home kit today at UCARI.com and use discount code BTLS10 at checkout and receive an extra 10% off the purchase price. UCARI, it's all about you.